Hi traders, today is the 11th of January 2017. Welcome to Behringer Trading. I wanted to briefly introduce you some new content that we actually have. So now we have a little strength gauge. You're going to see this on the watch list here for longs in addition to the short watch list. So you can see at the present time that we only have a long watch list because the market is bullish. So we haven't changed the format of the layout of the actual members watch list page. So you'll still have the price objectives. You'll still see the chart here that we can graph on. You have the basic information. You'll have news, and over here we have the video. And you can see here that we're looking at a monthly, then weekly, and a daily chart analysis there in the video. But what is this gauge here? So what we have done temporarily is we're doing this manually. There will be a day that we have this automated so that we can look at a larger number of stocks. But for the meantime, what we do have is that we have taken Wyckoff's 9 buying tests and we have created essentially some blocks to check. And as we check those blocks, then it increases the gauge there on the strength meter, on the actual barometer. So when we're looking at a stock, we have to ask ourselves, has the downside objective been fulfilled? Is there a stopping action defined by the preliminary support, selling climax, automatic rally, and the secondary tests? Is the activity bullish? In other words, are there signs that supply is contracting? Is there less volume on the down waves? Are we seeing the emergence of demand on off the base of support? So are we seeing some expanding volume on the up waves? And are we seeing it occur with increased ease of upward movement and closing at highs? Has the bearish downtrend been broken? And are we seeing higher lows and higher highs? Is the stock showing some positive relative strength? Do we have a base that's formed? And is the estimated risk 3 times, is the reward 3 times greater than the actual risk? So we've taken those 9 buying tests and we have created a strength gauge. So that's something new that we're going to see here on the watch list. I hope you find it helpful. It should help kind of screen through the watch list and kind of get an idea of which one, relatively speaking, is at a at a stronger point there in the gauge. So I hope you found it helpful. Again, thank you. Thanks for stopping by. For those that are members, I really appreciate your support, and we still remain very excited here moving forward. I hope you have a great weekend.